Let's personalize our fastnotes stamps. Go to colop.com/US. If you go to colop.com, make sure to click Colop US at the top. Find the Fastnotes tab by clicking on Traditional Stamps. Scroll down and click on Design Your Own Image Card. Choose your picture. Make sure it's under 5 megabytes and the correct size. Choose if you want the same image on the front and back. Resize your image as you like. Change the background color if you want. Click Create Image Card. Let's preview a single card. You can print a single card or multiple cards on one sheet. Download your PDF. Now let's print multiple cards on one sheet. Select your image. Choose Image Card Sheet Letter PDF. You'll see a few options to set up the printing page. Start from position number 1 and choose the quantity you want. Let's pick one. Make sure the preview shows the correct layout. Repeat the process with all your designs. Making sure you're selecting a new position for each image. Now we have all designs as PDFs. Make sure you're using 30-pound paper. Print your designs. Reusing the same sheet. Cut your designs and let's start replacing the cards. Remember, you can scan the QR code on the back of your Fastnotes stamp to go directly to print your card. To remove the stamp, press on the sides and remove the lid. Make sure to stamp your design before adding the sheet.